Hi everyone. As the founder of Pluto7, I'm excited to share a bit about what we do and why this is such a pivotal moment for our company. At its core, we solve a massive, chaotic problem for global businesses, managing their inventory. We replace their old spreadsheets and legacy supply chain software with a smart AI powered platform that automatically makes the best decision on what to stock, where, and when. Our users love this for one simple reason: it delivers a huge, measurable return on investment. This isn't just a theory. For example, we delivered a $10 million ROI for AB InBev from a single project and eliminated over 1,000 operational hours annually for Levi Strauss. We turn our customers' supply chain from a problem into a real competitive advantage. That's why top industry analysts like Gartner and Forrester recognize us as a leader in our space. Now, the reason why we deliver results like that comes down to a few key things. First, we have a 10-year head start in our space. We have been building a proprietary AI platform for the past several years, so it's mature and proven while many competitors are just getting started. On top of that, our unmatched partnership with Google is a huge, true game changer. As a premier partner, specializing in AI, data and analytics, and focused in supply chain, retail, and manufacturing, we have a built-in distribution channel that's giving us a 4x quarter-over-quarter increase in a qualified sales pipeline. So with all this momentum, our biggest challenge today is actually a good one: scaling our execution to meet the overwhelming demand. We have the proven technology and a massive pipeline from our Google partnership. Now, we must rapidly grow our business to scale and capture this global opportunity with the customers charged to implement AI solution in 2026 and beyond. That's exactly why we are here today, inviting you to be part of our next chapter. Our next major milestone is to achieve sustainable profitability within the next 12 to 18 months. We will do this by converting our existing pipeline into long-term contracts and scaling our high-margin planning in the box by agent platform. This funding round is purely an acceleration round to pour fuel to what's already working. We are putting 80% of the proceeds directly into the growth, scaling our sales team to convert the 4x pipeline, and expanding our engineering team to build out our next generation AI agents. The other 20% will be used as working capital to strengthen our balance sheet, allowing us to take an even larger enterprise contracts. We are at a key inflection point, and we are excited to have you join us on this journey. Thank you.